Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel injectors on a Honda Accord. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and a specialized fuel line disconnect tool. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting, and for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, relieve the fuel system pressure. This crucial step prevents any unexpected fuel spray when you begin working on the lines. Now let's get to removing the old injectors. Begin by carefully disconnecting all electrical connectors from each injector and then detach the main fuel lines from the rail. Next, unbolt the fuel rail itself. It's usually secured by 2 or 3 bolts. Once unbolted, gently lift the rail away from the engine. With the rail free, you can now carefully twist and pull each individual injector out of its port. With the old injectors out, it's time for the new ones. First, apply a small amount of clean engine oil to the O-rings of each new injector. This helps them slide in smoothly and prevents damage. Then, firmly press each new injector into its correct port on the fuel rail until it clicks into place. Carefully lower the fuel rail back into position, making sure all injectors are properly seated in the intake manifold. For our final steps, reconnect everything you detached. Securely attach all fuel lines and electrical connectors to their respective places. Don't forget to reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position about 3 or 4 times without cranking. This primes the fuel system. Finally, start your engine and carefully inspect around each new injector for any signs of fuel leaks. Congratulations, you've done it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.